Good morning. Myself, Professor Ken Somunshi. Today we will see software test automation. In that, we will see what is a software test automation, then why we do the software test automation, and terms related to the automation. Before software automation, we do the manual testing. Manual testing is the testing. Testing is done by the manually. Okay, that is called as a manual testing. In that we verify, validate your software system. Okay, that is called as a manual testing. Then what is a software test automation? Software test automation is the system that we create the one software. Within that software, we can test your software by automated. This is called as a software test automation. Manual testing is the type of software testing where the tester manually executes the test cases without using any automation tools. Manual testing is the most primitive of all the testing types and helps the bugs, helps to find the bugs in the software system. That is called as a manual testing. Yes, everyone remembered what is a manual testing. The goal of manual testing means that your software should be error free and it is a working in conformance to the specified functional requirement. That is the main goal of manual testing. Then test suite or cases are designed during the testing phase should have 100% test coverage. Okay, test suite means that set of test cases, and test cases mean that we create some condition, precondition, input condition, output condition, and expected condition in test cases. Manual testing also makes sure that reported defects are fixed by the developer. Retesting has been performed by the tester on the fixed defect. Basically, testing checks the quality of the system and delivers the bug-free product to the customer. There are different types of manual testing: black box testing, white box testing, unit testing, system testing, integration testing, and acceptance testing. In that, we verify and validate your software system using these types of manual testing. Now, automation testing. In software testing, the test automation is defined as developing the special software to test the software. Mean that we develop the special software to test the software, and we evaluate, validate, and verify your software system using the special software. That is called as automation testing. This special software controls the execution of test, does the comparison of actual outcome with the expected outcome. Test automation is used to perform complex tests that are difficult in manual way. For example, in manufacturing industry, it is very difficult to test your object, test your material. Then there is a need of automation. Mean that we save the timing. Mean that we create accuracy in your work environment. It can be used to automate some necessary tasks in the repetitive way. We can do the repetition. For example, we update any model, then we repeat that test. For example, we add some control, add some event in your program, then we repeatedly do that testing. Mean that we save your timing. Okay, what happened in manual testing? For example, we add any event, it takes much more timing. Mean that from the initially to the last end. Repeatedly and last end. Automated testing tools. Quick Test Professional is the one tool. Unified Functional Testing, Selenium, Load Runner, IBM Rational Functional Tester, Skill Test, Wind Runner. Okay, so these are the automated testing tools. Why test automation? When we create any software, we update any software, there is need of test automation. Means that run the existing test on the new version of program. When we create a version, for example, you can see that there are a number of versions. When we created the different types of software in Android application, when we create a version of your application, then there is a need to test that version. So there is a need of test automation. In that using that we save the your timing. Run more tests more often. We can at a time test the more test. For example, there are number of test cases. Okay, then we at a time we run the number of test cases. Perform the test which will be difficult or impossible to do manually. In manufacturing industry, there is a very difficult to test your application manually. Better use of resources, consistency and repeatedly of test, earlier time to market, mean that we save the your timing, mean that we give the fixed time to the market when we launching the any software and pass to the client. Increase the confidence. Automated test increase the confidence, means that it save the accuracy, it save the timing, it save the loss. Okay, and it save the uh, uh, cost. Okay, that is a increase the confidence. Okay, so there is need of automation. Automation terms, there are some automation terms that use in uh, while testing the your automation. First term test cases, second one test suite, third one test scenario. Test case is the case that is it is the one document. That document consists of set of input condition, set of precondition, set of state, and set of expected result. That is called as a test case. Okay, and what is the test suite? Test suite is a number of test cases that combine each other. That is called as a test suite. And test scenario is the process, means that we follow the some procedure to execute the automation terms, means that follow the some sequence. Okay, that is called as a test scenario. Test scenario, for example, one event. Okay, mean that one episode. Okay, that is called as a test scenario. So this is a one example of test cases. Okay, once again I repeat, test case means that set of input condition, precondition, set of state, and expected result. Okay, that is called as a test case. Okay, look at in this example. We first example is that launch the application. Mean that input is that pass the URL, that is a facebook.com. Expected output will be Facebook home. Actual output will be Facebook home, and we test the your browser, that is the IE11, and test result is the pass. Okay, and test comment is a launch successfully. The similar second example, enter the correct email and password and hit the login button. Input is the email ID and password. Expected output of login success, and actual output is a login success. We use the browser IE11 and test result is pass, and test comment is a login successfully. Okay, so this is the example of test cases. That is a input, output, and expected result and state. What is the test suite? Test suite is a combination of test cases. That is called as a test suite. Okay, mean that at a time we execute the number of test cases. Okay, that is called as a test suite. Okay, look at this. This is a test suite one, test case one, test case two, test case three, test case n. Okay, test suite means that number of set of test cases, that is called as a test suite. Okay, what is a test scenario? Mean that we follow the some procedure, we follow some scenario. Okay, that is called as a test scenario. Look, now we will see the one example. Test scenario means that check the login functionality, check the search functionality, check the product description page, check the payment functionality, and check the order history. Okay, that is a test scenario. For example, check the login functionality. I mean, that scenario is that we check the user ID, we check the password, we check the wrong password. Okay, and so this is a call as a scenario. Okay, so these are the terms that comes under the uh, software uh, test automation. Okay, so this is a for software test automation. Thank you very much.